Here I have CAT S61, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the display section, and here you have this option night light. Here you can switch it, here you can change its intensity, and you can also add a schedule for this mode. You can set it on your custom time or on the turns on from sunset to sunrise, like this. And after you switched this feature for at least one more time, it will appear here at the upper bar, and you can also switch it here just by tapping this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.